Hey you guys. Oh my god, I need to clean my screen really quick. And I'm thirsty, y'all. I saw this. I'm sorry. And I'm sick. Y'all, I'm just going through it. I'm gonna clean the screen really quick. Yeah, so I saw this meme the other day, and it says people who drink these drinks, it says something about like bougie black people drink these knowing they're nasty. I was like, really? These are really good. I look a hot mess right now, but I want to show you guys that, and I can put it in a bun, and I can put it in a bun. I got my edges back. I got my edges back. It's like, no, that was from I Am Pretty V on Instagram. She's so funny. She made a whole song. Like it was a promo video, but it ended up turning into a song. It's so funny. I am prepping to go to Jamaica. Yes, I'm going to Jamaica. I'm so excited. Hey, Alexa, play Sean Paul.
Shuffling songs by Sean Paul.
Just give me the light and pass the joy.
I'm going to Jamaica. Hey. Yeah, so I'm going to Jamaica. And I'm going with a brand. I'm so excited. And they sent me this huge package that I want to share with you guys. And also, of course, my vacation hair is going to be this wig. I know it's going to be hot and people don't like wearing wigs when it's hot. But me personally, like when I went to Barbados, I wore a wig. And it was so cool because I just kept it like a wet wash and go the whole trip. So I just made sure it was always wet and actually cooled me off. I was thinking about doing braids, but I leave tonight basically because my flight is super early. But Tropic Isle Living, that's the brand I'm going with, and it's based out of Jamaica. The owner is Miss Hines, and I'm just so honored to go. Shout out to Sabrina of Natural Partners in Crime and also Constance of Team Natural, because that's why I'm able to go, because of them. They wanted me there. I've never met Miss Hines, who is the owner. I've supported this brand for a while, not really publicly that much, just like whenever I use their Jamaican black castor oil, I usually show it on social media, like on Insta stories or Snapchat. I think I've done it on Instagram before, but I have not been like die hard Tropic Isle Living, even though I really do love their oils. But they actually have products, so I'm really excited to see where this relationship will go. But in the meantime, I wanted to come to you guys, and you guys, I'm sick. I'm so mad. So if I sound extra nasally, because I know I already am nasally, but if I sound extra nasally, it's because I literally have I have a cold or sinuses or allergies. I don't know. It just came out of nowhere, and I'm so bummed because I'm about to go on vacation, and I don't want to feel like this. Like, I feel really weak, but I'm going to pull it through. So Tropic Isle Living sent us these amazing bags. So I wanted to do kind of like an unbagging unboxing, but I also want to prep my hair for the trip because, like I said, I'm wearing this wig. So I just want to make sure that my hair is clean, moisturized, and deep conditioned. So basically, this is kind of like a deep condition and chill video because I'm just going to be deep conditioning. And I'm just going to twist my hair so I can put the wig back on because this is going to be my vacation hair. So that's the thing. Like, even though a lot of you don't like the fact that I'm wearing wigs now, I still am promoting healthy, natural hair. My hair is always taken care of underneath of my wig, and that is the important part of a protective style. So regardless if you like my wigs or not, my message is always healthy hair. So we are going to be deep conditioning today with Tropic Isle Living products, of course. And this is going to be the first time I try them. Anyway, I'm rambling. So they sent me this huge bag. Look how cute this is. Isn't it darling? So yes, so inside of this bag, so I have this box. I'll do some close-ups of this because, you know, the lighting. But let's see what's in here. The first thing I have here is some Jamaican black castor oil, which this is what I normally use from the brand. But I actually have, I think mine is the lavender scent because Jamaican black castor oil is really, it has a strong burnt scent. So I find that if you use their infused Jamaican black castor oil products, it's less like burnt smell. There's less of a burnt smell. So but these are just the originals. 100% natural Jamaican black castor oil. It's good for hair, skin, eyelashes, brows, beards, and nails. And I genuinely use this on my eyelashes every night, and not necessarily just to grow them, but you guys know I wear strip lashes, so, and mascara too. And you guys know this mascara and glue is hard to get off, so I always use this and rub it on my lash line to get all that buildup off. So it's kind of like a double whammy, like you are removing the makeup or glue, and you're getting the benefits of using Jamaican black castor oil on your lashes. And I mean, my lashes look bomb. Like my friend Constance always says, you don't have to wear lashes. And I mean, I'm not saying that this has like made my lashes thicker, but I mean, I kind of think it did. And also the products that we're going to be using today, what is this? Ooh, okay. So this is their latest collection. This is the Red Pimento Moisture Mist. This is with Jamaican black castor oil and red pimento oil. I don't know if I'm saying that name right, but this is the moisture mist. And we also have the hair growth oil. And this is the deep conditioner. So we're going to be using these 3 products today to prep my hair for Jamaica, which I'm just wearing a wig, but healthy natural hair is still important. I did a little unboxing on Instagram too, but I wanted you guys to see it too, because I mean, you guys know a vlog is coming, right? I have a fan. I heard it's super hot in Jamaica, y'all. So they sent me a fan. Oh, I definitely look like a geisha right now, because I got my bun, my robe, and a fan. I have a candle in here, and it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. I need to burn this now. This says Holland Bamboo Luxury Coconut Wax. Oh, so this sounds like it's good to burn, because you know how sometimes they say candles are toxic to burn. But this is called Crown Candle Company. It smells so good. Nail polish from this brand, which is funny because I've seen this brand before. I think Eden Body Works usually sends me this brand of polish. But yeah, I have this tag to go onto this bag. I'm definitely packing this. I wonder if I can pack all my stuff in there. I also have some banana chips that I already was eating when I first did this unboxing, which they're really good. To me, they taste just like potato chips. It doesn't taste like banana chips that we're used to in the States, because our banana chips are actually bananas and it's like has a sugary coating on it, but these taste like potatoes to me. But they're good. I'm gonna eat those. Besides the products, sorry y'all. Besides the products, they sent me a little note, which is super sweet. I love personal notes. It's handwritten. They sent me, quiet fam. Listen, I still need to pack. I still need to wash my hair. I still need to wash the girl's hair. I'm about to lose it. Fam, be quiet. But yeah, next to the products in that personal note, they sent me a packing list. Like, what? Like, it has everything on here. Oh yeah, and the brand who sent us these bags is Pardon My Fro. So yeah, so they gave us a whole list. It says your Pardon My Fro and Tropic Isle Living travel bag. And then it has electronics, and it has everything you need. A cell phone, a charger, camera with batteries, memory cards, and case, headphones. Then it says essentials. It has your ID and passport, credit card, debit card, cash, printout of your flight itinerary. Then it has clothing, and they have our clothing broken down by days, like day 1, day 2, day 2, part 2. Like, they just have everything. And then it has toiletries, feminine products, styling products, and makeup, deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, sunscreen, SPF, any medications, mosquito repellent. So they like have us, like, they have us all the way together. But anyway, so I am about to do my hair. I'm not going to talk during this part because honestly I'm just rushing at this point. So I'm just going to do maybe a voiceover. It may just be silent music. I don't know. But I'm just going to go wash my hair. And I'll come back and do the deep conditioning part and twist my hair and put this wig back on, y'all. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Special shout out to Tropic Isle Living for letting me tag along on this trip. Thank you for all my goodies. Shout out to Pardon My Fro. I really love your items. And I know Constance loves you guys. Like, she goes hard for this brand, y'all. But it is a really nice quality bag. I love the graphics. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick upload, last minute upload. I'll probably edit this on the plane, try to get it up for Friday. So yeah. Alright, you guys, see ya. This is my fro directly from taking out my twists that I had under my wig. And as you can see, it didn't look that bad because I literally do this weekly. This is my weekly routine. So I cleanse my hair to get rid of any product buildup, dirt, sweat, oil, and then I rinse. I parted my hair into 4 sections. That way I know I'm getting product everywhere. The first product I am using is the Jamaican Strong Roots Red Pimento Hair Growth Oil. I read the back of the bottle and it says you can use this as a hot oil treatment. So I just put this on my roots and kind of massaged it in. And then I'm going to go in with the actual deep conditioner. And this is the Jamaican Strong Roots Red Pimento Moisture Retention Deep Conditioner. It's a mouthful. But yeah, I use this product. Now, what I did notice is when I first put this product in, there was no slip. And honestly, that's how most deep conditioners are. They're so super thick and just heavy and there's no slip. But as this kind of warmed up, I guess, once it sat on my hair for a while, my strands literally melted and the product just felt so buttery and smooth. And it was definitely after I added heat to my deep conditioner that really activated the product and I was able to detangle so easy. So I just rinsed out that deep conditioner. Look, hair popping. It almost looks exactly like when I took my twists out. Like, I was really impressed with this. So next, I'm adding the moisture mist. Usually, I twist my hair with a cream product. However, this is for a protective style. I just want to make sure my hair is moisturized underneath of my wig. So I figured this product would be perfect. As far as how I twist my hair, the back section, I always put 2 bantu knots and I use those as anchors. And then the front, I just do flat twists and then I do a bantu knot around that anchor. And I find that it's easiest this way. I feel like your twists stay super like shrunken. So you know how your twists start to swell up and then your wig will look like you got like 2 inches of new growth lifting up. Well, to keep these flat twists very flat, I think it's important to anchor them down. And like I said, I just use those 2 knots in the back to just wrap each twist around them. I hope that makes sense. And I'm trying to show you. And also, you know how when you do straight backs, you end up running out of room in the back where, you know, that area is smaller. So I always find that if you do the 2 bantu knots first, and then that way your stopping point is a little bit higher, so you actually have more space to keep on twisting. I feel like I'm making sense but not making sense, but hopefully you guys get what I'm saying. Next, I put on a cap and I am going to be using this blasting freeze spray. I find that using freeze spray, it's so much easier than glue. It's less messy, and honestly, it's more secure. So yeah, I just sprayed some on the perimeter or the edges, and I'm just blow drying it down. And this wig is so bomb, y'all. Like, I don't even have to do any baby hair trickery. It literally just looks amazing. But that's it. I just wanted to show you guys how I take care of my hair underneath of my wig. And stay tuned for my Jamaica vlog. Make sure you check out Tropic Isle Living. Their Red Pimento line is available everywhere. You can go to Target. You can go to Walmart. You can go online. I will have all those links below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next upload, which is going to be very soon. I have so much content for August. It's ridiculous. I'm starting to feel a little overwhelmed, but I got this. Bye, you guys. Mwah.
Going fast with
Don't want him in his bird very trench. He's burned copy every word, every inch. But King got the hammer and the wrench.
I couldn't leave you guys hanging, but I had to give you like a little taste of my Jamaica trip. But stay tuned because I do have a vlog coming up. Now listen, I was literally living in the moment, so it's not the most thorough vlog, but I definitely captured like the vibe. So stay tuned, and thank you guys again for watching. Mwah.